Hey guys, product review. Let's see what we got this week. We got the Paracord belt from Divoti. This Paracord belt has a surgical stainless steel buckle, very rugged buckle, on a 47-inch long Paracord belt. It's 1.5 inches wide. It's roughly a 1/2 inch thick, and it is tightly woven. Really good, tightly woven. This thing is great. I love it because it's some Paracord belts are loosely woven and they come apart easy and they get spaces in them. This one is really rugged, really durable, really tough, and it's got a cool camouflage pattern, which of course I like, and good sturdy buckle that is really secured well onto this thing. This thing isn't going to break. It's made out of 130 feet of paracord. Okay, and we all know paracord is 550-pound tensile strength, right? So you have 130 feet, which is huge. 47 inches long overall length, 1.5 inches wide, surgical stainless steel buckle, and 130 feet of paracord. That would come in super handy in a survival situation out in the woods. Alright, so I'm going to try this thing on for a week and see how it goes. Okay, I've worn this thing for a week straight with a variety of different cargo shorts and pants. This thing fits all the belt loops. Okay, it's super comfortable. You don't even realize it's there. Really, you don't notice it. It's really comfortable. I love it. No problems with the belt loops, and this thing is easy to adjust. Okay, easy to adjust. You can tighten it, loosen it. Goes right in. It's nice and smooth and flat. It's not bulky. Really great. I really like it, and the the fact that it gives you 130 feet of paracord out in the woods if you need it. That thing is you can't go wrong with that. Okay, this belt isn't going to break. You can cinch it down. It'll hold up stuff, and I'm going to try to put some gear on this belt to see how it supports weight next. Okay, so I've been wearing this thing around with some weight on it. I have on this side, I have a low ride holster with a SIG pistol, okay, with a fully loaded magazine. And I have over here 3 magazine pouches with full 30-round magazines. So there's a couple pounds on each side, and the weight distribution, no problem. It's not sagging. The belt is fine. It's still super tight. It holds its place. It's super comfortable, and no problem supporting weight, so I'm very happy with that. I can move around, still fully comfortable, have full range of motion, and really this thing is one of the most comfortable belts I've worn, even with gear on. So this is a great belt, 130 feet of paracord, great addition to your survival kit. Can come in real handy, and well made. Thing's tough, durable, stainless steel, surgical stainless steel buckle, and that thing tightens down good, no problems, super tight woven. It's 47 inches long, so it can cover most people's waist size, and 1.5 inches wide. It's big enough to keep your pants up, keep them super tight without being bulky, and it supports the weight of gear. I'm all for it. This product gets a thumbs up from me. I like it. Check it out, the Paracord camouflage belt from Divoti. Thumbs up for me.